A lot of you are dreaming of having flat belly, but even with strict diet and tiring exercises, you still can't get the result you want. This drink can be easily prepared by everyone, and you probably have at your home all the ingredients needed for this drink to be prepared. The great thing about it is that this cocktail is prepared very easily, for very short period of time, few minutes. Ingredients that you will need are: half cup of fresh or frozen berries, 1 grapefruit, half apple, half pear, 1/3 cup of orange juice. Preparation: wash the fruit first and put it in a blender, then mash it until it becomes paste. Then add the orange juice, mix it and drink it. Beside that, it's refreshing and has great taste. If you consume this cocktail often, you will quickly notice the results. Always drink it in the morning, on empty stomach. If you think this information could help someone else, please share it on your social media.